Okay, number 34. Good old wily Mr. Van Dorn states that there is a 30% chance that a student is tardy to his class. Which of the following models can be used to simulate this probability? All right, well, in general probability, I like to call it the number of good, or the number of choices that we want, over the total. Okay, so we have to know that going in. Let's look at our 30% as a probability. So 30% would mean 30 times out of 100, it is what we want. And on the top, we have to write down, we want tardies out of total times. Okay, so now if we reduce that, we're going to get 3 out of 10. All right, so we're looking for something that represents 3 out of 10. So let's look at A. Random number table with digits 0 through 9, where 0 through 6 represent a student that is tardy, and 7, 8, and 9 represent a student who is not tardy. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 7 out of the total of 10 numbers, and therefore that would not be what we wanted, which was 3 out of 10. So A is out of there. All right, B, a random number table with digits 0 through 9, where 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just one less. So that's 6 out of the total of 10 if we're talking digits 0 through 9. Let's look at, so B is also right out. Let's look at C, a random number table with digits, I guess suppose they meant 0 through 9 here, where 7, 8, and 9 represent a student that is tardy. Okay, so that's 3 good out of the total of, okay, well, if you're using digits 0 through 9, and here are the rest of them, you have 10 total, and that's our 3/10 that we were looking for. So C works. Let's just look at D, because they did say, actually, which of the following model or models, they put in S. So a 6-sided die, okay, so 6 total, where 1, 3 represents a student that's tardy. Okay, they're trying to get you with that 3 there. Well, a 3 is only one side of a dice, so that's 1/6. And we can verify on our calculator that 3/10 and 1/6 are not the same if you can't just see that, which I suggest you always verify things. If you have a calculator, why not use it? 0.3 versus 0.16 repeating. Okay, so clearly different decimals, different values. So D is also not an answer choice. Tricked you with that little circle that it did. Yeah.